Hello, my little stars! Today we will learn about good habits and bad habits. Are you ready? Let's play! Washing hands before eating. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Clean hands keep the germs away. It's a good habit. Leaving toys on the floor. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Toys on the floor can make us fall. It's a bad habit. Good thinking! You're learning fast. Eating fruits and vegetables. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Fruits help us grow strong and healthy. It's a good habit. Watching TV late at night. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Less sleep makes us tired the next day. It's a bad habit. You're doing great! Keep going! Putting toys back in the box. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Clean rooms keep us safe and smiling. It's a good habit. Yelling instead of asking nicely. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Yelling hurts feelings. It's a bad habit. It's okay. We can always choose kind words. Brushing teeth before bed. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Brushing keeps our teeth strong and shiny. It's a good habit. Nice thinking. High five. Throwing food on the floor. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Food on the floor makes a big mess. It's a bad habit. Saying please and thank you. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Kind words make hearts feel good. It's a good habit. You're being so kind. Keep playing. Not brushing teeth before sleep. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Germs can make holes in our teeth. It's a bad habit. Going to bed on time. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Good sleep gives us energy to play. It's a good habit. Awesome! You're doing great! Listening when Mom speaks. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Listening helps us learn and stay safe. It's a good habit. Running indoors. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Running inside can cause bumps and falls. It's a bad habit. You're thinking so carefully. Throwing trash in the dustbin. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Using the bin keeps our place clean. It's a good habit. Yay! You're a cleanup hero! Ignoring a friend who needs help. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Friends feel lonely when we don't help. It's a bad habit. Eating candy all the time. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Too much candy can hurt our teeth. It's a bad habit. That's okay. We're learning together. Helping a friend who fell down. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Helping friends shows we care. It's a good habit. That was wonderful! Not washing hands before food. Is this a good habit or bad habit? Dirty hands can make us sick. It's a bad habit. Wow! You did an amazing job! You thought carefully and you played so well. When you choose good habits every day, you become a super kid. Clap for yourself. See you next time for more fun learning with Maa Me.
Like, share, and subscribe for more happy learning with Maa Me.